In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix IPTV Smarters Pro not working. In order to do that, you first need to head over and make sure what causes it. So on some cases, it's caused by internet speed. If you do not have a steady 15 to 25 Mbps, quick speed test can confirm this. It also means because of server overload, which is typically around peak hours, as well as local network congestion on your Wi-Fi, app cache and data, and the likes. So to fix this, you first need to change your DNS server, head over to your device network or Wi-Fi settings, click on Advanced, and then change the DNS settings from automatic to manual and input right here the primary DNS of 1.1.1.1 and secondary of 8.8.8.8 of which is Google. Save and restart your device. You can also enable hardware acceleration. Turn it on if you have a modern Android TV. If you have older, weaker device, it can't handle it, which causes it a black screen. So you can choose the right media for your player format. We have EXO player for this. We also have VLC as well as internal player. So just choose the player format that you want. So to clear cache, you can head over and then go to your settings app in IPTV Smarters, click on storage, then tap on clear cache. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.